Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to test the ArcDex. As you can see here, we have the website of Arc Finance, the testnet. The very first thing you need to do when you want to start your testing is you need to import Binance Smart Chain Testnet to your metamask extension. Either it's on your PC or you want to import it to your metamask on your mobile. So you have to, there are some details you need to know. For example, this is my metamask wallet. I opened a big page for it because I cannot show my extension. So this basically is my metamask wallet. So what you do is you come to this top right hand corner, you click the Ethereum mainnet you see right here, and then next thing you click is add network. So basically what you want to add here is the Binance Smart Chain Testnet, which you would use for the ArcDex. I already have my details here. For you that will be testing, there will be details in the description of this video, or you will be given the details of the testnet details. So basically I have them here. So the network name is BSC Testnet. The new RPC URL, I'm going to copy this, come back to MetaMask. The network name is BSC Testnet. The new RPC URL copied already. The chain ID from here 97. The symbol is BNB. Chain ID 97. The symbol is BNB. Then we have the blockchain explorer URL, the last one right here. I'm gonna copy it across and paste right here. So what we do next is we save. This is BSC testnet details. We save, and then once that has been added right here, the next thing you need to do is you need to claim some certain amount of BNB for your testing. So the link will be provided also, or you can come here and search for BSC faucet, BSC testnet faucet right here. Yeah, BSC testnet faucet. Then you click this. This is the very first search icon that comes. Yes, the smart chain faucet. Then what you do is you input your wallet address right here. And this wallet address, copy. Come here and you input your wallet address. Then you come here, give me BNB on BNB, and it's done. So I just claimed mine. I have to wait for a whole day before I can claim the next one. But for you, once you claim, it will immediately show in your wallet. It will be credited right here. So those are the basic things you need to do before you start testing on the ArcDex. The next thing is go to the ArcDex. For your PC to be t-app.arcdex.io, and if it was to be a mobile, it will be m-app.arcdex.io. The next thing we need to talk about is the different properties of the ArcDex, which we have here: the trade, which is comparing to the swap, liquidity, and the recoin. We have the earn, the pool, and the farm. Basically, for the ArcDex, we know it is an automated market maker focusing on swap transactions, and the ArcFinance swap is a leading BSAM adopting AUM algorithm. It's also, the swap also allows users to swap tokens without going through a centralized exchange, and any transactions users make on the ArcFinance swap will be processed directly from their own wallets. So basically that's what you need to know. Then we also have yield farming on the ArcDex, where users provide liquidity, can get, for example, you provide USDT ARC, and then you get ARC in return. That's basically it for the ArcDex. And the properties of the swap, the properties of the yield farming. Also, there's the properties of the liquidity pool. I will explain more of that when we get there. So basically, what we're doing now is the swap. We have the swap at the right hand corner. If it was to be a mobile, once you click the swap, it will take you to the only page of the swap. So let's try and swap USDT here for XRP. Or let's swap ARC since we're talking about the ARC DEX. Let's swap ARC for XRP. Let's pick 0000 ARC for XRP, and then what we need to do, yeah, we have successfully imported the BSC testnet, so we can connect wallet very easily now. We connect to metamask, and yeah, all done, connected. Then the next thing we do is we're clicking ARC, selecting a specified number of ARC for, yeah, so we approve the ARC. That's the first thing to do. Then after you have the metamask extension opening here, but I don't think it will show. Yeah, I'm waiting for it to get cleared. It's gonna take some time. Yep, so approved. Let's wait for the approve to change to swap. Yeah, so basically because it was approved, it's now swap. So we swap, brings up the waiting for confirmation. Let's see what is the problem here. I'm trying to get the problem, trying to find the solution to the problem. Why? Let's look at my fail. Alright, let's try USDT for SRP. Waiting for confirmation. Alright, so there's no liquidity for R to XRP on the testnet, so that's why we can't swap yet. I'm waiting for the extension to pop up. It's gonna take some time. We're still in the testnet, so bear with the extra little time it takes. Click confirm on the MetaMask extension here, and it should confirm the transaction. So if you want to search for this, you can click this view on it to view the transaction for you on testnet BSC scan. You can check for yourself. Testnet only transaction. So once it's done, close. You can check the balance of the XRP would will be updated, considering the swap you just did on the Dex. So basically, you've made your swap directly from your wallet. We can check the MetaMask wallet right here for the amount of USDT we have is 98367. Check here the same thing. So basically, you have swapped on the ArcDex for XRP. We have it here. Yeah, we do. So we have 10512, and then we have 10512. So you have basically swapped for XRP on the ArcDex. The next thing we're going to be talking about is the liquidity. For the token to be traded on Arc Finance Swap, the token must have liquidity. That was the basic problem of the Arc XRP we wanted to trade the other time. There was no liquidity. So if the liquidity doesn't reach the minimum requirement, it will be difficult to trade the token, or the price could become so unfavorable that it is impossible to trade. And users who provide liquidity will get LP tokens, which will allow them earn transaction fees. The transaction fee rewards can motivate people to provide liquidity to ARC Finance Swap. So basically, you can earn more from providing liquidity to the ARC Finance Swap. How about we provide the ARC XRP liquidity right here? Let's click 1000. So basically, once you are clicking liquidity, you have to make sure you have the same amount of tokens. Like you have the tokens here, you also have that amount of tokens here. So if I click two more, you can't add because it has surpassed the total amount you have here. You remove and you take out some, and then it balances up. Then you add the liquidity. So once you are able to add the liquidity, it brings out your metamask extension. Waiting to click confirm, taking a bit of time. It's still in the testnet. Yep, so I see the confirm on the extension. Click the confirm, and it should be done here too. Taking a bit of time. Yes, so transaction submitted, close. So basically you have added ARC XRP liquidity, pooled. Your pool share will be 9.09% of the transaction fees that are basically from the transaction fees that everybody uses on the swap on ARC Finance Dex. So 9% is for you. It's a high percentage because this is the only liquidity on the Dex at the moment. So that's how to add liquidity. You can choose to add other tokens. You can choose to add SHIB for ARC. You can choose to add different things, and then the pool share will be different. So that's basically how to add liquidity. The next thing we're going to is Recoin. So how the Recoin works is okay. Let's move to the earn, the pool. So the pool, like every other, is a single staking position where you stake token to earn another. Basically, in this place, you earn ARC because it is the native token of the ARC DEX. So either you stake XRP to earn ARC, or you stake USDT to earn ARC. The staking USD here, presently the APY is nothing, so I would prefer to stake XRP. Enable. So once you click enable to bring up metamask extension, where you click confirm. Waiting for that now. Yeah, so I just click confirm, and it's enabled. Then this enable should be stake very soon once the transaction is completed. Yep, so stake, the APY is a lot of numbers. It's still in the testnet, so basically the APY is meant to be high. So we have a good amount of XRP already in the wallet. We have 9512, which of course is what is here, 9512. A stake 1500 stake. The same metamask extension where you click confirm, waiting for that to pop up. It's always taking a bit of time. Sorry for the delay. Waiting for the pop up. Yeah, so confirm. Bear with the little delay in the waiting for confirmation. It's still in the testnet, so I think that's one of the flaws of the testnet at the moment. So close. So basically, yeah, staked. You have your total stake for 321. You have your stake there, which is 1,500. You can see it right down here. The APY is now this. It ends in this is not counting down because it's still in the testnet. So yep, that's basically how to add single tokens taken. So if you want to unstake, you click this stake right here, then you click unstake, then max or whatever amount you want to unstake, then you click unstake. Or if you want to harvest, you simply come here, click harvest, then it's one click and reverse, then the pop-up, then you can claim your tokens. That's basically how the pool works, the single staking. Then the farm basically comes up from the liquidity that has been added already to the ArcDex. So basically from the liquidity that has been added here, as you can see, Arc XRP. Then you come here to farm, you stake your liquidity pool tokens already. You have liquidity pool tokens, you already earn 9%, but you can come over here and stake again. So basically we have what liquidity do we have here? We have Arc XRP. So let's come to the farm and yeah, we stake. This is Arc USDT, this is XRP USDT, and presently we don't have any of those. Let's see if we don't have any of those. Okay, let's go add the liquidity for ARC USDT right here. ARC USDT 100. Yep, so we add, waiting for the metamask pop up, taking a bit of time. So waiting for the pop up. Yeah, so we got the pop up already. Confirm. It should be done as soon as possible. Yep, all done. Added the liquidity. Then we can come over here, come to the farm, then move to ARCUSD stake, and we have our ARCUSD here. Click maximum, then stake. Come as pop up where you click confirm, waiting for it to pop up. This will take about 5 seconds. But when the ArcDex is officially launched, it won't take this long. Yes, it's up. Click confirm. And then it should be done right about now. Yeah, transaction submitted. So you've added your liquidity. My share. There's currently no APY for ARCUSDT. You would have gone for XRP USDT because there is already APY for the liquidity pool to stake on. So basically that is for the pool, for the farm. We've talked about the swap, we've talked about the liquidity. So we're moving now, talking about the Recoin, which you can see here, review the economic model of DeFi projects. So one thing you need to know about the Recoin is you mint your tokens to R token, for example, XRP to RXRP, and then the R token is locked. But the price of our token usually is higher than the set price for the token itself. As you can see here, XRP is 0.000030, and the RXRP, the price is $3.38. So the next thing you need to do to convert to your Recoin token is you click convert. You can see this arrow here means you convert back to XRP from your RXRP, and this one facing the right hand side means you convert your XRP to RXRP. So we're going to click convert. I have done a transaction before, so basically it just brought out mint, but if you're going to be doing it for the first time, you need to click approve. Brings out a MetaMask extension where you click confirm, and then you click mint, where you have to click confirm on the MetaMask extension. I'm waiting for that now. waiting. Yep, so confirm. I just clicked it. It should be done right about now. Yep. So cancel. Immediately you see your balance 100. From the 100 we just swapped from XRP, and basically that's how you get your RXRP locked. The next thing you need to do is you go to the unlock and then select a way to unlock. uh, since we're focusing on RXRP here, we're going to click on lock here, and then you click the plus or the minus to increase or decrease the number of LP staked, which can increase or decrease the unlocking speed. So if we were to pick RXRP, we click plus. You can see we have 100 because we just swapped to RXRP right here. We can click 50% and then we click stake. If you're doing it for the first time, it will break out and approve first, and then you click stake. I'm waiting for the metamask extension to pop up. Yes, confirmed. It should be done right about now. Yes, so you see, press cancel, close. You see your total staked right here. Yeah, 50, like we just did right now. And yes, that's basically how the Bitcoin works. Thank you for listening to this video, and I do hope you enjoy your time with ARK Finance.